Hey Diva Dolls, this is your girl CRYSTALCHANEL and I am back with a brand new video. As you can see, I am all glitzed and glammed out because this video I did partner with FASHIONNOVA and I am doing some looks that I chose for NYE. Now we know we're in the middle of a pandemic and there's a lot going on and COVID is real and it's 2020, so I picked some really cute looks, casual looks, and kind of dressy looks. Me personally, I'm gonna be in the house, maybe go out to see some friends that I've been in my close circle with, but listen, I still want to look good. I still want to feel good going to the new year, so I hope you enjoy this haul, and if you want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. First up is this green dress. When I pulled it out the bag, it was really weighty. Like, I love the weight of this dress, the feel of this dress. This dress is very nice fabric, y'all. It is very sturdy, so I think that's important. So we know it's not see-through. I love that it's warm, so it's thick, which is perfect for New Year's Eve because we all know that's the time of year where it's really cold. This is actually, I believe, in a size 1X. I'm gonna again put all the links down below so you guys can shop and know what sizes that I wear, as well as my measurements. I'm gonna put my measurements also down below in the description box. But I thought this was gonna be too big, and now that I have it on, I know that I love it. So I'm gonna have to get a different kind of bra, one of those bras with the V necks. I think FASHIONNOVA has them on their website. If not, you can always pin it right here, but I think the neckline is very sexy. This belt you can actually open. You can possibly, you know, change the location that you want to tie it, but I think this dress is so adorable and it feels really good on. So these are fake buttons, but that doesn't bother me because, again, the dress is really comfortable and really cute. Okay, so next up we have this pink dress, and I really fell in love with it on the website. Now that I have it on, I'm not so sure. The reason for me is because I'm very hippie. I have like 52-inch wide hips, and as you can see, the dress is really tugging on the side of me, and it is not forgiving in your belly area. And the fabric, let me try to show you what this fabric is like. So it reminds me of like blouse fabric, or like fabric that's like on dress pants. It would be a cute dress if it fit properly, I would say, for like church maybe, or even brunch. I think the color is so pretty. When I took out the bag, I did not think it was going to look like this on. So at least there is a belt here, because without the belt, it looks very frumpy and shapeless. But with the belt, it at least snatches you in. You can even get really fancy and put on your own belt if it's like gold or something like that, silver, like a chain. I think that would look really cute with this dress. But for me, I don't really care for the fabric. Like, I like my stuff to stretch. I like to be able to feel like I can breathe. And I did gain some COVID weight, honey. And this, I believe, is an extra large, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this dress is cute? Would you add a sparkly belt? Okay, so I'm gonna move really carefully because I did take my bra off because you could totally see the bra. And to get the look that this dress is supposed to have, you definitely have to get some tape if you need that extra support and that extra help. But this is a really sexy dress. I love the silhouette because of up here, it does have shoulder pads. And it's a wrap dress, which this hangs just to give the dress some more drama. So I love this dress because it's drama on the shoulders, it's drama in the chest, and it has this extra right here. But for me, I have loose skin in the inner side of my thighs, so I kind of have to either sew it down a little further or go ahead and use some pins or something. But that's it. I love a wrap dress, so I think this is really pretty. This one is definitely so far my favorite. So really warm, long sleeve. It has like the velvet feel, and again, okay, another one without the bra, because I guess it's in style right now to have that low cut V in the front. Anyways, I'm gonna have to get some nude color tape for the girls, but I want you to just get into this dress. This dress is so pretty. I love it because it's rouged in your belly area, so it helps camouflage your stomach. And I love it because it's rouged in the back area, so it helps your booty pop. I know I'm not the only one who thinks about your booty when you buy your clothes. But yeah, this one comes down a little bit further in the front, so I don't feel like I have to do anything to it. I love the sheerness of the sleeves. This dress I don't feel super hot in, but I do feel covered, and I don't know, I really love it. I think the color is super flattering. No matter your skin tone, if you're fair, pale, chocolate, it doesn't matter. Like, this color is everything, and I absolutely love how this dress feels. Okay, so this dress I think is so flirty and romantic, and I love it. Again, picking pieces that are very casual slash cute and brunchy, but it's because we're gonna be in the house. So really something a little extra with the drama, I think, when it comes to the sleeves. Really comfortable, stretchy, forgiving in the belly area, plus it's also rouged, so you can hide if you have a little COVID tummy going on. It still makes your booty pop because it's that body conscious type of design, but then it's really cute and feminine with that whole frilly part on the bottom on the hemline. So I actually love this dress. I think I'm gonna be wearing this dress really soon. Really comfortable. I want to say I got it in an extra large, but just check the links down below, y'all. I'm gonna put the sizes to everything that I got so that it's easier to help you shop. Next, we have this chocolate dress. I love nude colors like this. So being that I'm caramel and I'm wearing this chocolate brown, I think it looks really good. I love khakis, tans, nudes, but this fabric feels amazing. This is like a staple item for me. Like, I recommend if they sell this dress in multiple colors to grab them all because this feels so good on. So I love this dress because it holds you in. So the fabric is super forgiving. I love that it's maxi, so it does go all the way down to my ankles. I love that it's stretchy. I love that it's sexy and it goes off of your neckline. I love the fact that it just feels so amazing on, and I know that this is for New Year's Eve, but I'm gonna start transitioning to more of a casual look. Again, we're getting more casual, really cute still because it's sleek, being that it's black, being that it's turtleneck, being that it's this stretchy, thick sweater material. But honey, we're not that conservative. It's New Year's Eve. Bam. So you have your back out. Now this dress, I don't know how you're supposed to wear a bra with it. Tits happen, okay? Things happen. I have to either pull them up if that's the case or get some tape. Of that, it's like a midi type of length. So I would, if I'm being casual, think it's cute to wear some ankle booties, something like that. Something that's like reptile print, cow print. But yeah, I love the back. I think you can embrace everything, honey. Embrace your COVID rose, honey. Like, we still fabulous over here. But tell me what you think of this dress. So I think this dress is super cute and it's very comfortable. It's that stretchy material and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's like that yarn comfortable material. Feels like a sweater too, but not so thick like the last one, but very forgiving. So I think it's super casual, but again, really cute. I think it's appropriate to wear because of having the whole, like, it's not a midi dress, but it's not short. So I like the length of this dress. This is a casual one, y'all. So for this one, you can put your hair in a ponytail. You can wear a jean jacket. You can put a little bit of sparkle by putting on, you know, accessories, like whatever you want to do. But this, I brought all the way down to casual. Still really cute. You can wear some boots that match, like knee-high boots, or you can wear some sneakers. Like, this dress is that casual but super cute. I wanted to show you that you have options for New Year's Eve. You don't have to do the traditional because we are definitely not in a traditional time. Last and certainly not least, we have those who just want to hang out at home in the comfort of your own house and bed. You do not want to have to get dressed up. That's fine, but you can still look really cute, really dainty, really sexy right at home. So I told you I have a NYE look. something for everybody, right? Here you go. We got fabulousness right in the house. This I did get in a bigger size, but I'm glad I did, because this part, being that I have these hips, I think that it fits really forgiving. And the top, there's not any support, but they did pleat the inside of the top so that it kind of cups and kind of hides your girls. We're going to bed. We don't need to have a bra on. We don't want to put any tape on. And I think that that works out really well. And I really do like the back. I think the back is really cute too. So if you want to stay in the house, but you still want to feel sexy and dressed up, then it's an option. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I absolutely love these pieces. I think they fit pretty well. Again, I'm going to put all the styles and all the links down below in the box, as well as the size that I got them in. You can always shop Fashion Nova using my coupon code CRYSTALCHANEL, or of course sign up for their email list. They always have really good deals, like 30% off, 40% off. So be sure that you do that. And if you shot Fashion Nova before, like who hasn't shot Fashion Nova? But if you have shot Fashion Nova before, leave a comment down below. Let the other diva dolls know how your experience was. But I can't complain. The package came fast. The website was easy to use. I actually prefer to use the app. That's what I was using. So yeah, let me know what you guys think today about everything I tried on. Let me know which one is your favorite. And of course, I'm going to be stunting for the gram. So be sure to follow me on Instagram as well as Snapchat. My name is @ChryssyTheDoll. That way you can see all of my pictures and stories and videos and all of that cute stuff and whatnot for New Year's Eve. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that, as well as my fitness channel. Y'all, I am really about to just do what I need to do, honey, to get back to where I need to be. If you've been here for a while, you already know I'm a curvy girl, and you know, COVID, you know, had me in the house eating and drinking. So I'm really excited to do my fitness journey all over again. I'm going to be sharing that on my fitness channel. So I'll put the link down below in the box. Be sure to subscribe, and also my vlog channel. Hope you dolls have a super fun and safe New Year's Eve. I want to say Happy New Year's, and stay fabulous and stay fierce.